Lift your droopy eyelids in less than 10 days. When we have drooping eyelids, not only do we look much older than we really are, but we can also look worse than usual. Statistics show that every year, more than 100,000 men and women around the world turn to surgery to fix their drooping eyelids. But do not worry, if you are one of the many people who do not support anesthesia or just do not like the idea of going under the scalpel, there are alternatives. In this video, we are going to present some simple tips to fix the drooping eyelids in a natural way. Why do we have drooping eyelids? Fallen eyelids can have many causes: normal cell aging, diabetes, stroke, Horner's syndrome, affecting the eye and facial nerves, a brain tumor, or any other muscle or nervous system disease. If you have droopy eyelids in both eyes, the cause might be medical complications such as myasthenia gravis, a neuromuscular disorder that affects the muscles around the eyes and the nerves that control them. Natural aging. If your eyelid falls into one eye, it may be because an ocular neoplasm, medical complications, a nerve injury. Natural aging. Remedy number 1. Cover your eyes with bags of chamomile tea. Chamomile contains anti-inflammatory agents that can treat drooping eyelids. Keep bags in the refrigerator before you cover your eyes with them, and when you apply the treatment, try to stay relaxed for about 20 minutes, results will occur. Remedy number 2. Prepare your own eyes revitalizing lotion with natural ingredients. It is not difficult at all. Mix 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt with 4 tablespoons of aloe gel, 2 tablespoons of oats and 5 slices of cucumber until you get a paste. Apply the paste on the eyelids and let it act for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Remedy number 3. Cucumbers are an excellent remedy for droopy eyelids. Simply cover the eyes with 2 slices of cucumber chilled in the refrigerator and let them act for 15-20 minutes. Remedy number 4. Ice water is very good for treating drooping eyelids. Wash your face with cool water to tighten the skin around your eyes. Remedy number 5. Eat more grapes. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, which prevents or retards cellular aging. Add more grapes in your daily diet and you will enjoy all the benefits they provide.